previous tutorial I had shown how you can run your project in browser, and in this tutorial I will show about anonymous function. This function is most important in Node.js. So let's see what is anonymous function. So here I had created a server to run our project in browser, so I don't need yet this function, because here I will show what is anonymous function. So I will comment out this, and now here I will show the syntax of anonymous function. So suppose what is anonymous function? So a function which has no name, so that's why it's called anonymous function. So here I will write a variable name is var hello. Okay, this is the variable and equals to, and inside this variable I will write a function parenthesis and curly braces, and here I will print a message console.log and hello. Okay, so this is anonymous function, and it's called anonymous because you can see this function has no name. I had just assigned a variable, and inside this variable I had assigned a function. So this function has no name, so we called it anonymous. And why we use anonymous function? Suppose guys, in this app.file I want to access in another file. Like here I will create another file, this node project. This is the node projects folder, and inside this node project I will create another file, and the file name is data.js. Always we write extension .js and data.js. and suppose in this app.js file I want to access in data.js. so for that we create an anonymous function. So now here I will export this function. So module dot exports dot, and now a variable. So I will write a variable name is access hello, and inside this variable I will store our hello function and semicolon. And now I will access this function inside this data.js. so for that, first of all I export this function, and now I will import this inside this data.js. so first of all I have to import this app.js file. So here I will write a variable const, and the variable name is app. Okay, this is the variable name, you can write any name. So inside this app variable I import this our app.js file. So here syntax to import require and this require inverted comma dot slash and app means this app.js file. So now I access this app.js file. So now I can access any of function of this app.js file, and now here just I will write this app variable app dot, and I want to access this hello function, and this hello function I assign inside this access hello variable. So I will copy this and just I will paste and parenthesis. This is the syntax, and save. And now I will, if I run our data.js file, I can access this hello function. So here just I will run node and data. So you can see it's showing hello because I had shown a message in console.log hello. So here is showing hello. So I can access this function inside this data.js file. So we use anonymous function when we need access this function inside another file. So this time we use anonymous function. So this is the most important in our Node.js. So hope guys this video is helpful for you. And if you are new, so please subscribe and press the notification bell icon also. And if you are not following me on Facebook and Instagram, then please go to the description and follow me on Instagram and also Facebook page.